Gimme 2 Minutes. I'm Eunice, and today I'm going to talk to you about time management. University life is exciting, but it can also be stressful when you feel like you don't have enough time to get everything done. Today, I'm going to give you my top tips on managing your time efficiently. First, make a list of priorities. To do this, you must first identify what the priorities and the tasks are. Then you need to rank them by level of importance. For example, your list may include your work, your family time, study time, appointments, sleep, meal times, exercise, lecture times, and socializing. This list can be reviewed and changed at different stages throughout the year. For example, around the exam time, study should definitely be a priority. Whereas at quiet times in the year, you can rank family time and socializing higher on the list. Next, you must schedule your task. This should be done using a timetable or a weekly planner. It is easier to follow a plan when you've put it in writing. So my advice is to use an online planner like your Google Calendar. Remember, your UCC email account is a Google account. Or you can use a whiteboard in your room. This way you can easily make changes to the schedule if a priority items needs to be added or be moved. Leave your schedule. Don't just write it down, stick to it. There will be times when your schedule isn't adhered to. When this happens, don't be afraid to reschedule what you did not get done. But be very careful not to reschedule high priority tasks in favor of low priority ones. You should try to have your weekly schedule finalized before the week begins. Okay, so let's recap. 1. Rank your priorities. 2. Make weekly schedules. 3. Stick to your schedules as best as possible. 4. Remember your email account is a Google account. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and watch for more videos and visit our website for more information.